Happy New Year! Today we are going to learn about pronunciation. You told me that there is a problem for you with pronunciation of, for example, matai, matei, matai, matei, or valgau, valgiau. So today we are going to practice it. This is conjugation of valgyti, valgyti, to eat. Aš valgau, valgiau. First you can see present tense and here past tense. Now, dabar, valgau. Now I'm eating. Dabar valgau. Vakar valgiau. Yesterday I was eating. Valgau, valgiau. And it's very important the pronunciation, because if you pronounce not correct, it can change the meaning. Valgau, valgiau. Aš valgau. Valgau. L is hard and A, U, O. Valgau. It means I'm eating now, or I eat, just anytime. And past tense, valgiau, valgiau. Can you notice that L becomes a bit softer? Valgiau. And after the sound G, it's a soft sign E, and we pronounce the ending softer. Valgiau. Can you see the difference? Valgau, valgiau. Valgau, valgiau. Dabar valgau, vakar valgiau. Tu valgai, valgei. Valgai, valgei. Valgai, valgei. It's the same. Present tense is hard. Valgai, gai. Valgai. And past tense, valgei, valgei. Valgei, valgai, valgei. A. The ending is A. Jis, ji. Valgo, valgė. Valgo, valgė. And as you can see, it's so easy to learn. Mes valgome, mes valgome, mes valgėme. Just look at the third person. Jis, ji. Jis, ji. Valgo, valgė. And from this we make plural. Mes valgo, me. Jūs valgote, mes valgėme, jūs valgėte. Here we add me, and for the second person we add te. Valgėme, valgėte. And now, matyti, matyti, to see. Aš matau, and past tense, mačiau. Matau, mačiau. Matau, mačiau. Dabar matau, vakar mačiau. It's more difficult pronunciation. Tu matai, tu matei. Matai, matai, matei. Matai, matei. Aš matau. Now I can see. Aš mačiau. Matau. Mačiau. Matai. Now you can see. Matei. You saw. It's like I. Not I. Matai. Matei. 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 Skaityti. Skaityti, to read. Aš skaitau, skaičiau. Skaitai, skaitei. Skaitai, skaitei. Tei. You have to try to pronounce a, skaitai, skaitei. That's it for today, and I hope you can pronounce now these words, and you can see difference between valgau, valgiau, rašau, rašiau. See you next time. Bye.